Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Cube Cross by Gold King. In their code, we can see when I receive blocks, forever blocks, and broadcast blocks too. Make your way safely to the other side by avoiding the obstacles. Next up we have Character Creator 2 by Crisp Handle. Looking at their code, we can see next costume blocks, broadcast blocks, and when actor clicked blocks too. Create and customize your own special character. And here we have Dungeon Quest by Fragrant Graph. Checking out their code, we can see some set properties blocks, forever blocks, and when actor collides blocks. Journey through your quest and defeat the bad guys while collecting your treasure. Last but not least, we have Apptastic Studios by MadCoder. In this text coding project, you can see that this user created their own mock website for cool apps to download. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!